the secret, the secret of Zurich. Mhm. The secret of that's SOZ. The secret of Zurich. That's the project. That's the project name, and if shorten it to SOZ. This is a revolutionary platform that has been created on the blockchain, and its focus is to revamp the way cryptocurrencies are used, to make blockchain useful for everyone, to make blockchain simple enough and cryptocurrencies useful in all ramifications. So it comes from an incredible dynamic of cryptocurrency market along with ever increasing global acceptance. So it is part of the movement, or it's part of what is going to make cryptocurrencies have a a higher level of adoption and acceptance throughout the globe. So SOZ, the secret of Zurich, is convenient. Is a convenient wallet to use. Is a convenient wallet uh, that simplifies all the blockchain processes, simplifies the use of cryptocurrencies, simplifies the storage of assets, simplifies the transfer of crypto assets from one person to another, and also perform other banking operations, also perform other traditional options, it has traditional features also, traditional banking features also is present there, such that you can own an account number in this platform. You can have an account number, and you can link your traditional uh, currencies or your traditional account with it. So and make it and run it as a single one on the wallet. It's such an amazing platform. Now let's look into the features. First and foremost, it has a personalized multi-currency crypto wallet. That wallet is a multi-currency wallet. It supports all manner of currencies, support all the traditional currencies, the top ones, and also support the cryptocurrency, the other cryptocurrencies. So users can decide which one they want to use, or how they want to save, or how they want to have their currencies saved or put together in the wallet. It also has a smart transfer within, it performs smart transfers within SEPA. It allows you to conveniently transfer and convert your cryptocurrency to euros without any problem. You can easily convert your cryptocurrency to euros and convert it back, vice versa, like that. So whether you choose to use fiat currencies or you choose to use cryptocurrencies, this is what you need. SOZ is the wallet that you have always dreamt of. Aside that, it has a personal IBN number. IBN number is like a sort of account number that is generated by this wallet, by this platform. So users are allowed to generate this account number for themselves, and through the account number, transfers and withdrawals can be possible. So these options will be possible when they have these IBN numbers that they can actually create for themselves in the wallet. It also has this prepaid debit card, like an ATM card. It has it. So this ATM cards in for this SOZ cards allows withdrawals, allows one to make use of his cryptocurrencies or assets when you have the card with you. So wherever you go, you can always withdraw, you can always use the ATM machine while you have the card, the credit card. So it also it has a feature of security. It has secure, so that makes it able to avoid all kinds of risk. So all kinds of risk. So it doesn't just make users subjected to any form of external attack. So that's the security. It deploys this security strategy. So and that makes makes users able to maximize their opportunities in the blockchain. So it allows them to use the cold storage wallet effectively and keep their tokens or perform all forms of transaction in it. Internal cryptocurrency exchange, another feature. So you can exchange your normal cryptocurrencies from one coin to the other, from one top coin to the other coin, whether it is an emerging coin, whether it's you have everything in its exchange that you can list, you can have them, traded for one another. So I've talked about the card. Okay, the card is what allows the main features of SOZ card. The card also has some specific features. So one of it is the control traditional currencies together with crypto coins and tokens. It allows you to connect your card with all the crypto assets. You can connect your single card. You can connect it with multiple crypto, wallets. You can connect it together with it and have your assets, connected in that way. So smallest transaction fee. So when you have this card, your transaction fee will be very small, very low, very very low. So that is the advantage you have when you use the card. You also have the possibility to pay with crypto or withdraw cash at the ATM. You can pay with cryptocurrency or you can withdraw at the ATM card, ATM machine, whenever you like and how you want it. So if you want to hold your crypto, you can use the same card to pay with national currency. So if you just want to be an holder of any currency, all you just need to do is to pay with the normal fiat currencies and you have those tokens in your wallet in safe condition. So you can see this is a picture of the card. It has other interesting features that I would like you to go further and make your research. Go to the website of the platform, that is www.soz.fund, fund, www.soz.fund. Then there you are going to find all the intriguing features that I've been explaining, as alongside other ones, other catchy stuffs you might like, you might want to embrace in the platform. So I wish you all the best in this platform, and I urge you all to invest into SOZ. It has a token too. It has a token too that is used for payment, for the paying of the fees, transaction fees, and also that token, the SOZ token drives the community, the SOZ community. So I think that's all I want to know about the platform.